everybody. My name is Courtney Schlotman, and today we're going to be working on our shooting. For shooting, it is involved in the game of soccer. When it comes to shooting, the four fundamentals of the motion is going to be core, laces, follow through, and then control. When it comes to your laces, it's where you make contact from your foot to the actual soccer ball. The follow through and power coexist. When you follow through, that's where you gain all your power when you actually strike the soccer ball. And then as far as your control, that's where your accuracy goes, as far as your aiming and where you're actually shooting the soccer ball. We are going to be doing two different activities today. With our first activity, it's just going to be a regular shooting drill. When we go from our shooting, it's going to be all of our offensive players. Sometimes the defense gets opportunities to shoot, but not all the time. We are going to break up in teams of two. Two people are going to be shotting the soccer ball while two people are shooting the soccer ball. When we are shooting, we want to make sure that we are focusing on the fundamentals of the actual motion while shooting. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how we go ahead and do that. So you're going to go ahead and start with the soccer ball down on the ground. With the soccer ball on the ground, you're going to take 2 to 3 steps backwards. When you make contact with the soccer ball, you're going to go ahead and use your laces. For your left, for any of your planted foot, the foot that's your non-dominant, is going to go to the side of the soccer ball. When you actually make contact, you're going to use your laces. Your core is going to be where your power comes from when you actually shoot the soccer ball. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. You're going to go ahead and take 2 to 3 steps backwards. When you strike the soccer ball, your foot's going to plant next to it. When you make contact, you're going to use your laces, and you're going to follow all the way through the soccer ball. So again, the ball is going to be planted on the floor. You're going to take 2 or 3 steps backwards. Your foot's going to be to the side of the soccer ball. You're going to make sure you follow through with laces, okay? So Amanda, we can go ahead and start for the activity. So go ahead and break up into 2 different teams. We're going to have 2 shatters in the back, and we're going to have 2 shooters.
No, we're going to shatter. Okay, you shatter. You're going to try taking the ball. You take 2 steps back.
So we're going to go ahead and shoot one at a time. We're only going to shoot about 5 times, one at a time. And as you're shooting, you want to make sure that you're using your laces. So whichever one, and Tiff or Mom, whichever wants to go first. That looks good. You guys' accuracy and control looks really good. Alright, that looks really good also.
Again?
Yeah, we can go ahead and go 2 more times. We'll switch just for Natalie and Amanda to get a couple shots off. Alright, that looks really good. We can go ahead and switch.
Switch.
Okay, so again, I'm just going to go ahead and reiterate you guys. When you guys are taking your shot, make sure you have your follow through, you're using your laces, and then you have your control as far as your accuracy where the ball's going. So go ahead and take a shot. That looks good. Natalie, Amanda, remember to go ahead and use your laces, okay?
Okay.
Natalie, that was a lot better. Good job. Alright, Natalie and Amanda, you guys looked really good. Your guys' accuracy was all there. Your guys' laces were definitely being used. As far as your guys' power, when you guys move forward in your soccer skills when it comes to shooting, if you guys want to follow through a lot stronger, then that's where a lot of your power is going to come into. So now we're going to go ahead and move into into our closing game activity. This is called cone kickdown. It's going to be a team effort, so you guys can go ahead and choose your teams. Just break into teams of 2. You guys are going to line up. You guys are going to go ahead and line up 3 cones in between you guys. And then whichever team can kick the 3 cones down first wins, okay? But when it comes to the game, I want you guys to make sure that you guys are focusing on the fundamental motions of shooting. Again, that's going to be the same thing that I've been repeating. It's going to be the control, the laces, the power, and the follow-through, okay? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Natalie, you stay right there because you're a marker for that side. I think I can this far back. Okay, this is the distance we can be apart from each other, so if you want to put 3 cones. No, that. This way. We're going to be knocking them off. Are you paying attention? There we go. This is how close I am? Yeah, this is, we're both in the camera at this point. Wait, are you not on my team? Yeah. Oh. Switch. Okay, there we go. So how do we knock them down? You get 1 shot at it, then I fetch the ball and you go?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to have, so it's going to be like Natalie and Aunt Tiff are going to start, you guys are going to shoot, and then whenever you get the ball on the other side, you're going to take a shot. So it's going to test your control the most as far as like your speed and accuracy as well. So whichever team kicks the 3 cones down first wins, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead and start whenever you guys are ready.
Wait, you're supposed to try to hit the cone. Oh. Okay. We did it. They won.
Alright, that was good, you guys. Alright, so all 4 of you guys looked really good when it came to your guys' control. I know if we were doing this with a full class in a large grass field, then you guys would definitely be further apart and it would test a lot more of your guys' shooting skills. But as far as today, you guys did good, and I encourage you guys to go ahead and keep moving forward and working on your soccer skills and your shooting skills. But however, you guys did a really good job today. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.